You know, a couple of weeks ago, I did a video where I modified a this Tormach Shuttle Express into something that was handheld and a little. You can bring it out to the bed itself and do some work, and it's handheld. You can easily control each axis without any trouble. And I don't know, I like this. I even made a little a spin wheel which you can put on, and if that's of any interest to you. Anyway, but something that I had done prior to doing that was to make my own pendant here. And this pendant I call, it's pendant with an attitude. And basically what it has is a little teensy 3.2 with a with the attitude boards on hooked to it, which allows me to sense attitude. I don't know if you can see the light here. There are LEDs, and when it's pointed up, the up LED lights, and when it's pointed sideways, which this is my x-axis, this LED is lit, and when I point it on this attitude, why the y-axis is lit. And so what does that do for me? Well, it allows me to very easily, if I want to move the machine back and forth, I just point that way, and I can move the machine. If I want to move it left and right, I can go slow or go all the way and move fast. It's all by the attitude. If I'm doing something and it runs away, I can just tilt it and it'll automatically stop. But I can do up and down. Okay? And then I programmed the 4 major functions. You can read that: stop, hold, run, and coolant. And there's also a emergency cutout switch, which I installed in parallel with the cutout switch that's on the machine. And so if I disconnect the other one and have this one sharded, why, this is the primary. So you just got to make sure you have one of them disconnected, and the other one will override it. It's the code is included. It's kind of, I had a hard time with you have to program it in the keyboard mode, and the machine I have didn't always talk to the machine when I wanted some of the modes, and I messed around with some of the timing and stuff. I finally have the code working. It works fine with my machine. I'm the only one in the world that has this, so good luck. Try it out, and see how you like it. Maybe you can update the code and make it do more than you want, more than what I want. You could easily add more buttons here and add more. This is nothing but a keyboard. That's all you're doing. You're emulating what the keyboard commands that Tormach allows in their Pathpilot. Now, if you ran a different Pathpilot, let me see here. Get the camera out. I don't know if you can see that. There's a list of the Tormach Pathpilot commands. Now, as I say, you could easily, if you're running a version of Tormach and you want a pendant, or if you're running a version of Pathpilot and you'd like a pendant, here's a project for you. So it's a complicated, not complicated, but it's it's a lot to do. A bunch of wiring, which I'll show pictures of, and a schematic, and the code will be included. So good luck, have fun. I hope you enjoy it.